I'm Sir Mario Monteiro de Souza, the supervisor of Don Bosco High School, middle and high school, and we have the students answering common exam for the 7th and 8th today. Tomorrow we have the 5th and the 6th. They are answering the common paper all over the world. Is the SCRT, which is a common paper for all the students of all the schools. The benefit of that is the paper is at one stage at all one level, so then it depends on the student's capacity to study whatever the portion is within the syllabus. It's not what the teacher will teach, but according to the syllabus and the academic curriculum. Also very important is the question papers are all come, but at the same time we have to open only in the morning and submit it to the students for answering. Today we have the 7th comprising of around 200 students, 8th standard 200 students. Tomorrow will be the 5th and the 6th with another 200 respectively. So that is what we have in our institute.
Okay, how many people are sitting for the summer today exam right now in your
In each class, they are mixed class. They sit around 50 in each class because we have the 9th standard also who are answering the board exam. So around 50 students sit in each class.
This is the first time I think so, no?
First time the first time is the question paper, but the sitting arrangement has been done from many years back, because they always sit for the first term and second term exams together, but of different divisions. This is the way we take.